Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be exploring the Carina Nebula, a stunning region of star formation captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. The Carina Nebula is a massive cloud of gas and dust located in the constellation Carina, about 7,500 light-years from Earth. It's one of the largest and most active star-forming regions in the Milky Way, home to some of the brightest and most massive stars we know of. The Carina Nebula was first discovered in the mid-18th century by the French astronomer Nicolas Louis de Lacaille. During his travels to the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa, Lacaille made detailed observations of the stars and cataloged over 10,000 of them. One of the stars he cataloged was Canopus, the brightest star in the constellation Carina. While observing Canopus, he noticed a faint cloud of light surrounding it, which he described as a nebula, the Latin word for cloud. It wasn't until the mid-20th century, however, that astronomers were able to study the Carina Nebula in detail using telescopes and other instruments. These studies revealed the nebula to be a massive cloud of gas and dust, located about 7,500 light-years away from Earth and spanning over 300 light-years across. Since its discovery, the Carina Nebula has been a popular target for astronomers, who have used it to study the process of star formation and the lives and deaths of massive stars. It's also been imaged by numerous telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope, which has captured stunning images of the nebula's cosmic cliffs in unprecedented detail. Through a telescope, it's a breathtaking sight, with its swirling clouds of gas and dust and bright glowing stars that paint the nebula. But it's not just a pretty sight. The Carina Nebula is also a site of intense activity, constantly forming around 1,000 new stars each year, many of which are more massive and luminous than our own sun. But these massive stars also have short lifespans, and as they reach the end of their lives, they explode in spectacular supernovae. These explosive events not only destroy the stars, but also create heavy elements like carbon, oxygen, which we breathe, and nitrogen, which eventually get incorporated into new stars and planets. The Carina Nebula is also home to some of the most extreme and exotic objects in the universe, like binary systems with two supermassive stars orbiting each other, and pulsars, incredibly dense stars at the end of their lives that emit regular bursts of radiation. One of the most famous objects in the Carina Nebula is the star Eta Carinae, a massive and luminous binary star system. The primary star is a supergiant, while the secondary star is a smaller, less massive companion. Eta Carinae is estimated to be about 100 times more massive than our Sun and is surrounded by the Homunculus Nebula, a massive cloud of gas and dust formed by a massive eruption in the 19th century. Eta Carinae provides valuable insights into the lives and deaths of massive stars and may eventually go supernova. The Carina Nebula is also home to other interesting objects, including young protostars and planet-forming disks, all providing insight into the early stages of star and planet formation. So the next time you're stargazing, be sure to look for the Carina Nebula. It's an incredible sight to behold, and a reminder of the amazing cosmic processes happening right in our own backyard. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing space content.